Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to rename files or folders in OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to OneDrive.com. Once you're on the page, sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your stored files and folders in the cloud. After signing in, wait a moment for the login process to complete. You'll then be automatically directed to your OneDrive dashboard, where you can manage all your cloud storage. This is your main workspace where all your files and folders are organized and accessible. Now, from your dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Click on the My Files option. This section displays a complete list of all the files and folders you've stored in your OneDrive account, making it easy to locate exactly what you need. Once you're viewing your files, take a moment to browse through and locate the specific folder you want to rename. When you've found it, click on the check mark next to the folder to select it. This action highlights the folder and prepares it for further actions. You'll notice the folder is now selected and ready for modification. With the folder selected, right-click directly on it. This will trigger a context menu to appear on your screen, showing you various options for managing that folder. These options include moving, copying, sharing, and of course renaming. From the context menu that appears, look for and click on the Rename option. This action will open a rename window where you can change the folder's name. This feature is essential for keeping your files organized and clearly labeled, especially when you're managing multiple projects or documents. In the rename window that appears, you'll see a text field with the current folder name. Simply click into this field and type in the new name you want to assign to this folder. Make sure to choose a name that's descriptive and easy to remember so you can quickly find it later. Once you've entered your desired new name, click on the Update button to confirm the change. Your folder will now be renamed with the new title you've chosen, and the change will be reflected immediately across all your devices connected to OneDrive. And that's it. You've successfully renamed your folder in OneDrive, making your cloud storage more organized and easier to navigate. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.